Hey, Snowflash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today's review, excuse me, today's review, we're doing another Nature's Bakery fig bar. And this is a peach apricot. That's how it looks. They do have a story. No, that's ingredients. Never mind. Let's see. Nutrient facts. Serving size: 1 package, 57 grams. Calories 200. Total fat 5 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 80 milligrams. Total carb 38 grams. Fiber 3 grams. Total sugars 19 grams. Protein 3 grams. Here we go. How it looks. Oh, it smells. What's that, peachy? There's peach. Honestly, it's not bad. It needs milk with it, but has a little spice to it. Not like spicy, but like spice. Not bad. Now over to sugar. I'll give this one probably a 7.1. No, let's do 7.2. 7.2 out of 10. We'll get these again. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful one.